This is a concept that we came up with about 15 years ago, and what we're trying to do orthopedically is get people back to normal life, improve their movement, get their mobility back, and very importantly, remove their pain. During COVID, there's been a huge increase in the number of patients waiting surgical treatment, and that's particularly hit orthopedics. This isn't just going to do hip replacement and knee replacement. We're doing all aspects of orthopedic surgery, and our spinal colleagues from neurosurgery are going to come and do some spinal surgery as well. So it's going to allow us to treat patients throughout the year, which is very exciting.
We have a workstation on wheels. We also have handheld devices which the nurses can carry around. We can scan patients' wristbands, ensuring that we are administering drugs to the right patient at the right time. Some workstations are wall mounted in the corridor, so you can get enough people around the devices to have a good discussion around the patient without being in the patient's room.
There's a pre-admission area where you'll see the anaesthetist surgeon on the morning of surgery. We're obviously sitting in one of the 3 theatres which are the next section through. Then got a recovery area with 4 beds for slightly sicker patients, so an enhanced recovery area. Then there's a corridor that goes up, and there you've got physiotherapy, occupational therapy and radiology, so you can get your x-rays. And then coming back down, we've got 40 beds in 2 wards, each with individual cubicles, and at the end of that you've got a discharge lounge, and then patients maybe even as soon as the day of surgery or day after surgery will leave the hub and go home.
The new hub has allowed us to bring forward some really innovative energy efficiency measures. We've installed a set of heat pumps on the roof, and they're connected to solar panels that provide renewable energy for part of the time to those heat pumps. In the summer, there's a very good chance that that building will be running entirely for its heating and its cooling from energy from the sun.